Hello, everybody, and welcome in to Pristine Frog Gaming. Today, we are going to talk about the creator dashboard. Specifically, I want you to set up your stream manager. The stream manager is going to really help you get the best experience you can out of your streams and help you out. So, if we go into editing mode by either moving something or selecting editing mode, this is what you're going to get stock. Go ahead and just clear out everything. And for now, we'll leave the quick actions. The activity feed is going to be the first one we put down. We're going to want that down here at the bottom. This is what shows your follows, your sound alerts, everything like that. But we don't just want one of those, we want 4. So go ahead and add in an additional 3. And there we go, we have 4 activity feeds now. I know what you're saying, why? They're just showing the same information. Well, a little bit ago, Twitch introduced the filter for these things. So those are kind of important. And here we are. So for the first one, what I do is I want to see just the followers and my subs. So subs and followers. I want to see the individuals who are investing their time and energy following and subscribing to us. Beautiful. The next one, I want to look at the people who are spending their money on us and helping us grow that way. So right here, we're going to look at the bits, gifted subs, and I think that's it. So there we go. We have followers investing their time, investing their money, and now the next one. The next one, we're going to go with who is boosting or completing challenges. The raids, who's raiding into our channel. Oh, my bad. Actually, we're going to go with rewards. We're going to go with the rewards. And that is it right there. The last one is for communities who are coming into our community and helping our community grow. And by that, I mean we're talking about the challenges? No, that's over there. Okay. By that, I mean we're talking about the hosts, the hype trains, the raids, and the shoutouts. We want to recognize those people who are bringing their communities to us. And I think this helps me get a better grip on like who's coming in, what they're doing, and all of that, because I can just see separately. And it's not for everybody, but I enjoy this layout. Obviously, I'm making a video on it. So we're going to go ahead and save that, and that's what it looks like right there. Yeah, we're fine. Okay, now moving on. Let's go ahead and get rid of that for now. And let's go ahead and bring up the next section. We're not going to do my chat just yet. We are going to do the edit stream info. So we put that up there. This is going to let us edit the stream's title, going live notification, what game we're playing or category, etc. Now we want the I'm trying to decide here. Hosting you. We'll take that for now. This is of course going to let us see who's hosting us, and we can add in the mod actions. No, not this one. I trust me in my mods, so remove this one. Sorry. We are looking for auto mod queue and rewards request queue. So here's the rewards request, and so once they do the reward request, it's going to pop up on here. We don't need that much space to see or reject all of these and complete them. This is how you're going to give back channel points if something goes wrong or there's some type of error. And it just makes it a lot easier and less time consuming on your part to have this out and available. Now we can bring out my chat, and you can put it over here on the side, or I prefer to have mine on the right hand side, because that's right where you're going to be doing most of your stuff at anyways. It's probably going to be depending on where you have your screen. My second screen, which is what I use to look at all of this, is on my left hand side. So That's why it's over there. We don't need stream preview. We do need our quick actions back. And as you see, all of our quick actions are here. We'll go over that in a minute. Stream health. I like this because sometimes the OBS software doesn't always give you like the accurate stuff. So this will tell you what Twitch is actually receiving from you. And now we can use the active mods. No. We need the auto mod queue right here. Here we go. Couldn't see it for some reason. Okay, so we need that next. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it up right here with this guy. And now you can quickly accept or deny people who pop up on your auto mod. And that's my setup, guys. That's my layout. That's how I like to have things set up. And I think it really helps out to do this. Your quick actions may look a little different, but overall, this is a beautiful setup in my opinion. So the other reason I like to have this on here is this. So let's say somebody raids into your channel. You can click on their name and it pulls up this little thing right here, right? You can't resize it, it's just stuck there. Now, it doesn't auto-update as you have it open. It only auto-updates every time you open it. So every time you open it, it will update. But what I'd like to do is when I ask somebody, hey, what'd you guys do in your stream? Welcome over here, all that. I'll give them about a couple minutes. If I don't notice their response over here in the chat, I'll start going to this. I'll start looking at this and deciding if they've sent a new message to me or not. And if they didn't, then they didn't. Somebody else might have answered them, and I'll try to comb through chat a little bit. But yeah, right here, changing your thing, we can even remove it from over here as well. Right here, edit stream, copy that. We have all of our little things up here. Clear chat, manage goals. Clear chat's a pretty effective way to deal with hate raids, stuff like that, although they haven't happened to me. I do have the tools ready, and we did used to get botted by Haas, the Haas bot. And here are your quick actions that you guys can edit when you have time. Decide what you like. Anyhow, thank you guys for stopping in and watching. I appreciate you. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.